If you cook just the simple monk fruit and the water for those symptoms, if it doesn't quite help, especially if the cough start to have phlegm, then you can add this one.
What is this?
Actually, this one we call chen pi in Chinese. So it's actually tangerine peel. These two, when they combine together, it's overall very good to help with cough with a bit of phlegm. So
just one piece?
Just one will be enough.
Right.
So with this, it go in together.
Okay.
You can go in together and let them cook.
Yep.
Then this drink will be pretty good.